Hey you guys, I thought I would bring you this quick everyday makeup tutorial. This is my 10-minute makeup routine. Don't mind me looking a hot mess at the beginning of it, but this is just how I look, okay? So getting started, I'm just putting on my wig cap and also my little wig. I think this thing is supposed to help your wig stay on and not move. So I'm just putting that on and then going ahead and using my Murad moisturizer. Love this moisturizer. And now I'm going to do my brows with the Covergirl brow pencil. Just a really quick and easy brow. I fill everything in with the same product and this pencil lasts me all day. So next I'm going to get ready for face makeup. I don't do a lot of eyeshadow during the week when I'm getting ready to go to work. So I'm going to prime my face with that number 7 primer and then put on my foundation, and it's the Maybelline Superstay foundation stick. I am obsessed with this foundation stick. Next, I'm going to do some highlighting underneath the eyes, and I'm going to take this L'Oreal Pro Glow concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out and also put that on my eyelids as well to cancel out any discoloration. Of course, I'm going to use my tried and true Mercier translucent powder to set that concealer, and I'm also going to set on my eyelids as well so I don't get any creasing of that concealer throughout the day, but my eyelids still look nice and smooth, and again canceling out any discoloration. To bronze up the face, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics and ItsMyRayeRaye makeup palette, and I'm going to use that middle shade there just to kind of bronze slash contour my face, put a little more color back in, a little more definition into my face. I'm going to take this Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette and use that like orangey blush on my cheeks. I don't know what I was thinking, but that shit was pigmented. So I had to blend that out really, really well. So you want to go on with that with a very, very light hand, but it was very pretty on the cheeks once I blended it out. And then finally, I took this Morphe palette. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll put it down below in the description box. And I'm going to use the highlighter in that palette and highlight my face. Such a pretty gold champagne-ish highlighter. For my mascara, I'm using the Tartiest Pro Mascara, I think it is. Look in the description box, y'all. It'll be down there. But this is the Tartiest mascara, and it's been one of my favorites for a while. I really, really love that it volumizes and lengthens my lashes. And I'm going to take this MAC lip gloss and add that to the lips, and just to give myself a very nude, glossy lip. Now it's time to do something with this head, so So I'm taking my Malaysian curly wig from Unice Virgin Hair, and I'm just going ahead and going to place that on my head and get ready to tame it because this stuff looks a mess right here. To tame the wig, I take some water and just spray that on the hair just to kind of make it less bushy. That helps, definitely helps a lot. And then after this, I'm going to take some styling mousse and add that to the hair as well and just smooth it down, and it looks so much better and makes the curls just pop. Last but not least, I'm going to set the makeup using my Boscia setting spray, and that's really it, you guys. If you like videos like this, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!